driver's license. Zoom. Zoom up. Get his license. Keep recording.
What is he doing this for?
Oh my actual God. Keep recording, Naomi.
Obviously, I'm recording.
I'm watching this truck continually hit this parked car over and over again. We're right by Des Moines, Anthony's Marina. My daughter's recording it right now on his phone. 6th Avenue. I'm on the phone, 911! He's, oh, that's good. Okay. She's screaming. I'm at 22612. Oh, he's crazy. He just keeps bashing into her car over and over again. He's in a black truck. Is that a Ford, you mean, or are the glasses on?
Yeah.
What's the license plate? Read it
I
out.
can't see it.
Oh, they have it.
Tell them his license plate. Does that guy have it? He's not doing anything. Tell him. In the burgundy.
Okay, she's yelling it. Somebody, what's his license plate? I see the dog in the truck. Get out of the way, he's gonna hit you! Oh my God, if he hits my truck, I swear to God.
6126.
Yeah, he's just continually hitting me. Oh my God, he's trying to hit the guy! He's trying to hit the guy! I can't tell, he's actually mental.
Nobody got a gun?
Get out of the way! You're gonna get hit! Now he's hitting multiple cars.